If you're searching for the best tire brands in 2025, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll review the top 5 tire brands that offer excellent quality, performance, durability, and value for money. We considered all-season capability, off-road strength, tread life, and real customer feedback to compile this list. All product links are in the description below, so make sure to check them out. Now, let's dive into the top 5 tire brands for 2025. Number 1, Hankook, South Korea. Hankook has built a reputation for durability and performance. Their DynaPro MT2 series is a perfect example, delivering aggressive tread design and excellent grip for off-road enthusiasts. Key features: designed for harsh off-road conditions. All-weather tires like Kinergy 4S2 for sedans, SUVs, and minivans. Improved braking distance and long tread life. Strong rubber compound for strength and durability. Ideal for light-duty trucks up to 1 ton. If you want stylish, rugged tires that last, Hankook is a fantastic choice. Number 2, Pirelli, Italy. Pirelli is synonymous with performance and handling, especially for sports bikes and premium vehicles. Their advanced multi-compound technology, borrowed from the World Superbike Championship, ensures superior grip and stability at high speeds. Key highlights: year-round performance speed rating. V, perfect for high-speed rides, offers exceptional cornering and traction, built for enthusiasts who demand precision and control. If you value high-speed stability and luxury performance, Pirelli should be on your radar. Number 3, Goodyear, USA. Goodyear is a legendary name in the tire world and a trusted brand for decades. Known for all-season versatility, Goodyear tires like the Crossmax deliver quiet rides, reliable grip, and excellent comfort. Notable features: directional tread for improved water evacuation, multi-pitch pattern design to reduce road noise. Ideal for sedans, SUVs, and light trucks. Great option for year-round driving. If you want a balance of quality, performance, and affordability, Goodyear is an excellent choice. Number 4, Michelin, France. Michelin consistently ranks among the top premium tire brands worldwide. The Commander Through Touring tire is engineered for class-leading mileage, offering up to 25% longer tread life compared to competitors. Key benefits: built for touring bikes in V-twin cruisers, smooth, comfortable ride, outstanding durability for long-distance riders. Premium construction ensures safety and longevity. If you want maximum performance in the longest tread life, Michelin is worth every penny. Number 5, Bridgestone, Japan. Bridgestone delivers fuel efficiency, comfort, and durability all in one package. Their tires are engineered for long tread life, backed by an impressive 70,000-mile limited tread wear warranty. Highlights: all-season performance, quiet, comfortable ride, full-depth grooves for effective water evacuation, optimized tread design fights, irregular wear. For those who need all-weather reliability and long-term savings, Bridgestone is a smart investment. That wraps up our list of the top 5 best tire brands in 2025. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. All product links are in the description for your convenience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest reviews. Thanks for watching and drive safe.